how to fix blocked aria hidden on element because its descendant retained focus on SVG elements. This Chrome message, I end up seeing it today, and I've decided to create a tutorial. Now I can go into depth and perhaps spend half an hour trying to explain to you what in the world this message and the error is all about. Basically, it's to do with accessibility, which is an important part of any website. That's why Google Chrome is showing us this message. It's saying there is an element that is focusable when someone uses accessibility device to navigate through the web page, and thus the coding of it is confusing for those visitors, and it tells us exactly what the problem is and how we can fix it. So I'll show you some basic examples that you may want to explore for your setup, whether you're using WordPress, whether you're using different JavaScript libraries. This is how I've fixed it. Basically, I've created a WordPress code that goes through the code of the page when it renders, and it looks for aria hidden with tab index 0, and removing this tab index 0 from the SVG element fixes that problem. But you may not be using WordPress, you may be using JavaScript. If that's the case, I've got the JavaScript code for you as well. I'll make these codes available on Rankia website. So for WordPress example, let's just do something like this. I'll show you the JavaScript example to see if that fixes that problem. Basically, we've just created a script and said, you know what, add event listener when the DOM is loaded, document object model. Select the query elements, all SVG with aria hidden, set the true and has tab index 0, and go through each of them and then remove the attribute tab index. And we've also got a console log here. So let's upload this JavaScript file to see if that's going to fix this problem here. So what I'll do, I'll open up a new tab and let's look at the source code. You can see that problem is now gone. And we've got a console log here saying, you know what, that JavaScript code has removed tab index set to 0. So I want to explain what tab index 0 is, but this is how you fix blocked aria hidden on element because its descendants retained focus. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and if you benefited from this video session, please do give it a like, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.